Hi, today I'm going to be driving this Mercedes that we've got for the Two-Ball Rally, and I'm going to just drive it in a straight line at my football training car park because we're early. It's a Mercedes Saloon.
Wait, so put the foot on the brake.
Foot on the brake.
No, other foot.
Left foot.
Left foot on the brake. Yep.
Okay.
Right, now pull the thing back into drive. Right, now take your foot off the brake very slowly. Right, that's it. Right, take your foot off the brake completely. Completely. Right, now put the right foot on the accelerator.
Yep.
Press it a little bit. That's it. Right, steer to the right a bit. It's a bit bumpy. Keep going. That's it. Now straighten up. That's it. Right.
Where shall I
Just keep going and then park at the end. Right. So, right. Turn the steering wheel hard to the left. Right, and get ready to press the brake when you get straighten up. That's it. Press the brake. A bit more. Keep going. That's it. Press the brake. Brake. Right. That's it. Now press it into dry. Park. That's it. Perfect. And that's it. You're done. You've parked the car. Well done. What do you got to say?
I don't know, really.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
You like driving your first car? Was that a Mercedes what? S430
S430
V8.
V8.